Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change chat background on Viber. So let's start. First, open the Viber app. When the app is open, search for the conversation you want to change the background of. Now I'll just quickly choose a conversation to change a background. When the conversation is opened, you can access the options in two ways. You can swipe left, or the other way is tap on the three dots on top right corner. Now tap on background and select a background you like. I'll select this desert one. And the background is now set. But you have to remember that this change of background is for the individual conversations. Now let me show you another conversation. And here you can see that the background is different. And that is how you can change a chat background on Viber. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.